A creative business poster should look professional while giving people a reason to pay attention. Open Canva and create a new product poster using the dimensions that fit your promotion. Choose a background color that represents your brand, then open the Elements panel and add a few simple shapes to structure the design. Use larger shapes to create sections for the product image and smaller ones to highlight the promotional message. Upload your product image and position it prominently so it becomes the main visual focus. Add a strong business headline, a short promotional message, pricing or an offer, and a clear call to action using professional typography. Include your logo and contact information in a clean area without overcrowding the composition.